Now let us discuss some of the problems based on the concepts studied in the earlier class. Okay, we have studied the expressions for point slope form, then 2-point form we have studied, intercept form of the equation of a line we have studied, then slope intercept form we have studied, then when the x-intercept is given, when the y-intercept is given, when both the intercepts are given, how to find the equation of a line, all these we have discussed in the previous class. Also in the end we have discussed the normal form of equation of a line, that is when the perpendicular distance from the origin to a line is given and a point on the line is known, how to find the equation of the line. Okay, inclination of the normal should be given in that case. So all these cases we have discussed in the previous class. So now some of the applications of these concepts we will see in this class. Some of the problems we will discuss. So first of all, first problem, find the equation of a line passing through 2, 2 root 3 inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degrees. So theta, angle of inclination is 75 degrees here and a point on the line is given. So we can apply point slope form of equation of a line because a point on the line is given, inclination is given. This is not about normal, okay? So it is inclined. The line is inclined with the x-axis. So you have to notice the difference between inclination of the normal, that is different, that is omega, okay? So that cannot be taken as m is equal to tan theta slope form. We cannot take that. So here we have to apply point slope form of equation of a line. So we have, what is the point we have here? We have x1 y1 is given. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 is nothing but 2, 2 root 3 and theta is equal to 75 degrees. That is the angle of inclination. First let us find the slope. Okay, slope m is equal to tan theta. So tan 75 direct value you are not aware of. So we need to calculate that. So tan 75 degree can be written as what? You have to write the unknown angle in terms of the known angles. So known values, which all you know, tan 45 we know, tan 30 we know. So tan 45 plus 30 is 45 plus 30 makes it 75. So we will use this formula. What is tan of a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. That formula we are going to use here. Tan a tan 45 plus tan b tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so this is the expansion. Now we will apply all these values. What is tan 45? It is 1. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Then 1 minus 1 by root 3. Because this is 1 itself. 1 into 1 by root 3. That is this. Take LCM. What do we get? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Denominator, both root 3's will get cancelled. So what is the value of tan 75 degrees? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Now we will apply the point slope form. So by point slope form, what is the equation of a line? Equation of the line is, what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Substitute all the values. What is y1 here? This is x1, this is y1, 2 root 3. Y minus 2 root 3 is equal to m. What is that? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 of x minus x1. x1 is how much? 2. So now this you cross multiply. Root 3 minus 1 of y minus root 3 minus 1 of 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 plus 1 of x minus root 3 plus 1 of 2. Okay, full we will expand and we will simplify. So this is y term, no need to simplify because there is no other y term here. Only other constant terms we will expand. So 2 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but what? That is 3 itself. 3 2s are 6. So minus 6. Minus of minus plus 2 root 3. Okay, that is equal to root 3 plus 1 of x minus, this is 2 root 3 minus 2. So plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 on the other side. So when you bring it this side, it will become plus 2 root 3 itself. And minus 2, when you bring this side, it will become plus 2 minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So what we can do? root 3 minus 1 into y minus root 3 plus 1 into x plus what is this? 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. 4 root 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. So if you want, we can compress that. How we can do root 3 minus 1 of y minus root 3 plus 1 of x plus 4 root 3 because minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, that is 4 root 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now is it possible to simplify further? Root 3 minus 1 of y, there is no other term here. So we cannot simplify that further. Then this also root 3 plus 1 of y, there is nothing to simplify. 4 you can take outside. So 4 we can take outside. So what do we get? Root 3 minus 1 of y minus, what is this? Root 3 plus 1 of x plus, we can take 4 as a common factor, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So if you divide throughout by root 3 minus 1 also, you will get what? Root 3 minus 1 I don't think you need to simplify further, we will keep it as it is, okay? Because there is no further simplification possible on this. Root 3 minus 1 of 5 minus root. So this is the equation of the line. If you want, what you can do is, here you can rationalize. You can multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1, here root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So you will get it here a square minus b square form. You can rationalize the denominator here in the slope and you can proceed, or else directly you keep it and proceed. This is one and the same. You will get the equation of the line in the point slope form. Okay, so that is the solution. Now perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units. Perpendicular distance from the origin means what? It is the letter P. P value they have given as 5 units. And inclination of the normal is 30 degree. Inclination of the normal means what? Omega. Omega is 30 degree. You need to find the equation of the line. Okay, in the same case it is equation of the line only. Find the equation of the line, same question it is. So what is the solution? We have P is equal to how much? 5 units. And omega is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line is, what is the equation of the line? X cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to P. So all values of P and omega we will substitute here. X cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equal to 5. Value of P you give. So x into, what is cos 30 value? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus y by 2, because sin 30 is 1 by 2, that is equal to 5. So what we can do is, common denominator is 2, you transfer it to the other side. So what you can say? Root 3x plus y is equal to 10. This is the equation of the line. Root 3x plus y is equal to 10. Given equation of the line, then the perpendicular distance from the origin is given and inclination of the normal is given. Not of the line, it is inclination of the normal that is given. So root 3x plus y is equal to 10 is the equation required. Now next question. The vertices of triangle PQR are P of 2, 1, Q of minus 2, 3 and R of 4, 5. So vertices, 3 vertices of triangle PQR are given. Okay. So suppose this is triangle PQR. What are the coordinates of P? 2, 1. What are the coordinates of Q? Minus 2, 3. And what are the coordinates of R? 4, 5. So what is the question? Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. First you point. Where is the vertex R? This is the vertex R. Median through the vertex R means it is a perpendicular which bisects the opposite side. Median bisects the opposite side of the triangle. That means here these two parts are equal. Suppose I am writing it as RM. Okay. Suppose this point is M. PM is equal to MQ. M is the midpoint of PQ. Understood? Because it is a median, it bisects side PQ. So M coordinates we need to find. Okay. we need to find the coordinates of point M. If we get the coordinates of point M, we need to find the equation of the median. We need to find the equation of Rm. One point already we know on that line. What is that? R 4, 5. If we get this point, coordinates of the point M, we can use 2-point form and find the equation of the line. How to get this point M? We will write in the figure. Rm is the median. Hence, what you can say? Pm is equal to Qm. M is the midpoint of P and Q. So, what are the coordinates of M? Coordinates of M are, what are the coordinates of M? It is a midpoint. You have to apply midpoint formula. 2 minus 2 by 2 divided by and 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So, what is this? 2 minus, this is 0 and 4 by 2 is 2. 0, 2 is the coordinate of the median. So, we have here 0, 2. So, you have got 2 points on the line. What you can apply? You can apply the 2-point form of equation of the line. So, by 2-point form, equation of the median is, what is the equation of the median? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So, equation of the median is. So, y1, x1, y1 you can take as 4, 5. We will take this as x1, y1 and we can take this as x2, y2. If you mark, it will be easy for calculation, especially when you are talking about 2-point form. You mark which is x1, y1 and which is x1, y2. So, it will be easy for you to avoid mistakes while calculating. So, y minus y1. What is y minus y1 here? We have marked 5 as y1. Y minus 5 is equal to y2 minus y1. Y2 is how much? 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 by x2 minus x1. 0 minus 4. This is x2 minus x1 and x minus x1 is how much? 4 itself. So, simplify this. Y minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 5 is how much? Minus 3 by minus 4, that is 3 by 4 of x minus 4. We can cross multiply, 4 is a common denominator here. 4y minus 20 is equal to 3x minus 12, or you can bring y that side. 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the median. Is the equation of the median. Median through R. Because median can be 3 in a triangle. Through all the 3 vertices you can have the median, but what they have asked is particularly median through the vertex R. So this is the equation of the line passing through the median through the vertex R. Okay, next question. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. So there is a line with the points, suppose it is P 2, 5 and Q of minus 3, 6. So this particular line which the equation is required, it is the line which passes through the point minus 3, 5. There is another point minus 3, 5 on the line. So there is already a point on the line given. We need to find the slope of this line now, so that we can use point slope form to find the equation of this line passing through the point R. Okay. So because it is perpendicular, see the clue they have given, it is perpendicular to the line through these points. So when it is perpendicular to line through these points, immediately we should think of the relationship between slopes of perpendicular lines. So how are the slopes of two perpendicular lines? They are negative reciprocals, or you can say m1, m2 is equal to minus 1 whenever the two lines with slopes m1 and m2 are perpendicular. That concept we are going to apply here. Okay. So solution. First you find slope of PQ is equal to, or we can assert, first of all we can give the names because we have not mentioned P and Q in the question. You write, let the points be, we will name all the points, okay, P of 2, 5, q of minus 3 comma 6 and r of minus 3 comma 5. Slope of PQ. So line through PQ I am mentioning as PQ. Slope of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1. That formula we are going to apply here. So first always it is advisable to mention the formula. Okay, y2 minus y1. You take 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 2. Means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 5 is 1 or it is minus 1 by 5. Okay. So what is the slope of the negative residue? Slope of the line through R. Slope of the required line. The required slope of the required line through R is equal to 5. Okay. What you can say? PQ is perpendicular to line through R. So the slopes are negative reciprocals. You can say m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. I am writing the reason m1 m2 is minus 1 because this is minus 1 by 5. Its negative reciprocal is 5 by 1. Okay. So slope is there. One point on the line is given. So which formula we can use? By point slope form. By point slope form, equation of the required line is. Equation of the required line is. What is the equation of the required line? Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay. So m only you know now. What is m here? M is equal to 5. So the point you know. What is the point? Minus 3 comma 5. So y minus what is y1? 5. That is equal to 5 of x minus x1. X minus minus 3. That is x plus 3. So simplify this. Y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15. Or you bring it to this side. What do you get? 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line. What is it? 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line passing through the point R, which is the required line. Next we will go to another question. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis A. Passes through the point 2, 3. Suppose we have coordinate axis here. See, this is the cutting equal. Here also it is a, 0. Here also it is 0, a. Because this distance and this distance is equal. This is equal to this. Both are equal to a. And it also passes through another point that is 2, 3. This is the situation. Okay. So we have intercept form of the equation of the line. Understood? So what we have to do here? We have to apply intercept form of equation of the line. So intercept form of equation of a line is what is intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. But here a is equal to b. They are given equal intercepts, isn't it? So x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. It passes through which point? The point this you give as equation number 1. The point 2, 3. So substitute the x value. So 2 by a plus 3 by a is equal to 1. Implies what? A is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So what is a value? A is equal to 5. Implies equation of the line is x by 5 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Or you can write it in the standard form as x plus y is equal to 5. This is the equation of the line. They have a common denominator here. Bring it to the RHS. X plus y is equal to 5 is the required equation of the line. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Next we will go to next question. The perpendicular from origin to a line. Suppose I have fixed origin here. Perpendicular from origin. What are the coordinates of origin? 0, 0. So perpendicular from origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2 comma 9. It is meeting it at the point minus 2 comma 9. Find the equation of the line. Here this is almost similar to the concept we have applied in this problem. M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. Why? We need to find the equation of the line. Okay, the perpendicular from origin to a line means this line they want. This line they want the equation. We want the slope of this line. But here this line both the points are given. So we can easily find the slope of OR. Slope of OR, if you find, the slope of PQ will be its negative reciprocal. Okay, so let the points be O of 0, 0 and R of minus 2, 9 from the figure. I will take figure as a reference. From the figure. This figure we can take as reference. So what is slope of OR? Slope of OR is equal to, let it be M1. M1 is equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So Y2 minus Y1, that is 9 by minus 2. The other part is 0 anyhow. So 9 minus 0 by minus 2 minus 0. So since OR is perpendicular to PQ, slope of PQ is equal to M2, that is equal to 2 by 9. It is the negative reciprocal. What reason you can give? M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. This is the reason. Okay. So now slope we know a point on the line. This point we know, this slope also we have got. So you can use point slope form to find the equation of that line. By point slope form, what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay? So what is y minus y1? y1 is 9 there. Y minus 9 is equal to 2 by 9 of x plus 2. Now simplify this. What do we get? So 9y minus 81 is equal to 2x plus 4. What you can write? 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. Because see, I am bringing everything to the right hand side. 2x is already there. 9y comes here, becomes negative. 81 is negative here, it comes this side, becomes positive. So 81 plus 4 is nothing but 85. So this is the equation of the line which is the required equation. Okay, so one more problem. P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. Whenever you hear the term between the axes, you have to draw the diagram like this only. Got it? So you have to draw the line which gives some x-intercept and some y-intercept. Between the axes it is. Okay? Line between the axes or line segment between the axes. So P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes with what? It is between AB. AB is the line segment between the axes. Okay? So P is the midpoint of AB. So P is the midpoint of AB. I am assuming the coordinates of A to be h comma 0 and I am taking the coordinates of B as 0 comma k. Why? Because AB they have already given here. P of A comma B. That coordinate when it is already mentioned, we cannot use it again. Okay? It will be creating confusion. So if h comma 0 and y comma 0 comma k are the x and y intercepts, by intercept form of the equation of a line, what is the equation of the given line L? The equation of the line is x by x plus y by k is equal to 1. So what is this? By intercept form. Intercept form. So by intercept form, where what is h and what is k, that also you need to mention. Where h is the x-intercept and y is the, what is that? K. K is the y-intercept. Okay, h is the x-intercept, k is the y-intercept. Then given P of A comma B is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. Line segment AB. Okay? Midpoint of AB. So we can use midpoint formula there. Why midpoint formula? By midpoint formula. What you can say? What is A? A is equal to h plus 0 by 2 and B is equal to k plus 0 by 2. You know x coordinate and y coordinate. What is x coordinate? x1 plus x2 by 2. What is y coordinate? y1 plus y2 by 2. If you want, you can mention here x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Okay. So what is h then? H is equal to 2a and k is equal to 2b. K is equal to 2b. Okay, h is equal to 2a. You can just transfer here. Y is equal to 2b. Substitute it in equation number 1. I will give this equation now. Okay. Substituting in 1, what you can write? X by 2a plus y by 2b is equal to 1. What is common here? In both the denominators, 2 is common. You can take it outside and transfer to the other side. Multiply both sides by 2. Okay? Y by b, that is equal to 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So these 2 will get cancelled here. Here it gets multiplied by 2. So this is nothing but what? Equation of the required line. See, they have given. Prove that this is the equation of the line. So we got that. Okay. So next problem. The length L in centimeters of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. Okay, so here there is a relation between length and the Celsius scale temperature. In an experiment, if L is 124.942 when C is equal to 20 and L is equal to 125.134 when C is equal to 110, express L in terms of C. You have to write an expression in L in terms of C. So L is equal to something, such a relation you have to establish. So what you have to do, here we can consider two coordinates of 2 points here. So x coordinate can be your Celsius temperature and y coordinate can be length. Okay, Celsius temperature along the x coordinate and temperature along length of the rod along the y coordinate. So solution we will start as, we have what is given first we will mention. We have L is equal to 124.942 when C is equal to 20. So it gives the point 20, 124.942. This is one point. Okay. So we will take this as 1 point. Next, L is equal to 125.134 when C is equal to 110. What is this? This gives rise to another point, 110, 125.134. This is the second point. So we have got 2 points on the line which contains these two. Okay, we will take these as 2 points on a line L. So we will use 2-point form to form a relation between L and C. So by 2-point form, equation of a line, what do you get? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here what you have to notice is, we want something L should be expressed in terms of C. We don't want x and y. So just replace this with the variables L and C. What you require, that has to come into the LHS. You have to express L in terms of C. So it should be in terms of L is equal to something. So don't take Celsius temperature here. You have to take L here, length. L minus L1 is equal to L2 minus L1 by C2 minus C1 of C minus C1. This is your new equation. So what is L1, L1, L2? These are the L1, L2 values. These are C1, C2 values. So what is L1 here? 124.942. This is L minus L1. Now L2 minus L1, 124.134 minus 5, right? 125.134 minus 124.942 divided by C2 is how much? 110, 110 minus 20 into C minus C1. What is C1 value? C1 value is 20. This is C1, this is C2. Okay. So now this and all we cannot simplify. Keep it as it is. 0.942 is equal to this. We can subtract 125.134 minus 124.942. It comes out to be 0.192. 0.192 divided by 110 minus 20 comes out to be 90 of C minus 20. So what you have to do is, we want it in terms of L. So transfer this side, this term to this side. Don't simplify this, you can keep it as it is. So L is equal to 0.192 by 90 into C minus 20 plus 124.942. So this is a relation which connects L and C. L is equal to, so L in centimeters is expressed in terms of Celsius temperature.